Hey everybody, it's Chris Palmer, and we are here at our teardown project where we are building a sweet new custom home. And today, we've trenched, we've dug, and we've excavated to get our foundation waterproof. The boys are cleaning it and digging around the old weepers and getting it ready for a nice new blueskin with some dimple wrap on the outside. This is the existing weeping tile that we found in pieces at this house. Now, the issue is that we've been seeing is water buildup or dampness coming through the basement floor. And the reason for that is because they actually had no weeping tile going around the foundation, which means the water can't escape when it gets down to the footings. So if you take a look here, you'll see all it was a tarred foundation and everything was building up along the inside. Very minimal clear stone and nothing to help actually filter the water away from the foundation. That's why we're getting dampness building into the basement. The power also is another upgrade we're doing with hydro. It used to come in from the overhead, and now we have a massive trench dug at the side here for our weeping tiles and also to bring a new feed in from a new pole. Apparently, they need to update the system here. Another big upgrade that we're gonna need on this property is the filter bed for the septic system. Living in the country, we don't have sewer, we have septic. So what happens with old systems? Well, they need replacement. And the number one reason why is because, well, root systems start to grow inside them. And this doesn't really filter things as great as they should. And if you look down here, they seem to hold a lot more than just dirty water. Howdy partners, we're here back at the teardown house and we're ready to get dirty. How about you? This is where the poop comes from the house to the tank. We bury the poop in the ground so you can't smell it. And that is how we get rid of our poop.